Hey, welcome to the Old Get Done Stuff channel. Today I will share with you my recipe for Thai pork, rice wine and sesame oil. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to the Old Get Done Stuff. This is a Peppa Pig jigsaw. These are loin chops, just sliced into tiny little slices, very thin. Marinated in rice wine, sesame oil, fish sauce and soy sauce. And just going to be flash fried in here. These have been marinating for 3 hours now. Yeah, let's go. This is a really quick little dish. Usually I make this as part of a meal, so I will do 2 or 3 other dishes at the same time, only because it's skin hot. I mean properly hot. But it doesn't take long. Look, little bits of pepper, look, almost cooked through already. We will then stick some Thai green curry paste. It looks like quite a lot, but it is the milder of the green curry paste that I get, and it will be fine. Trust me, I am a doctor. I usually make this as part of 2 or 3 dishes as a dinner party. This is just literally going to fry off, and this is the one that I bring to the table on one of those little sizzlers. It adds nothing to the dish except the BS. And I say, be careful of that. The pork one, it's hot, and it is. It's got a lot of green curry paste in it. It will have green chilies with it, and this is similar to the marinade. This is some sesame oil, some rice wine and some soy sauce and some fish sauce. All of the ingredients are in the details below. Just go and check it out. Because little strips of pepper are so thin, it really doesn't take any time at all to cook. Fantastic little dish. Right, time to put chilli in. Those are 2 green chilies. I know it doesn't look like it, they're tiny little ones. I tend to find they're the hottest. The smaller the chili, the hotter they are in general. Get those big ones and they're quite mild and very colourful. You can put some veg in here if you want. I like it just as it is, but you can put a few green beans in, a few spring onions or anything like that, just to give it a little bit of colour and a bit of bulk. I like it, like I say, I would normally do this with 2 or 3 other dishes, just as a little hot one. A little frighteningly hot one, in fact. Right, we will then use this as a bit of caramelisation. Different quantities, but the same as the marinade. The only difference for this is it does have palm sugar in it, and that will just help it caramelise over the pork. Look at that. That is perfect. Now this is Thai pork, rice wine and sesame oil. Done. You're welcome. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See ya.